to another pretentious armchair chat. The topic today is how to beat isolation anxiety. The first tip, which I will cheers to with this coffee, is to have a routine. Personally, my day starts at 6:45. No matter what time you get to bed, by setting your alarm for the same time each morning, you're regulating your body clock and reinforcing your circadian rhythm. This does wonders for improving mood, memory and alertness, as well as preventing insomnia, and also has a ton of other benefits. There are so many uncertainties right now, and that can cause a lot of anxiety. We don't know what's going to happen. As we keep being told, it's unprecedented time. So much is I can't speak! So much is out of our control at the minute. So pick a couple of aspects of your daily life that you can control, whether that is having a cup of coffee every single morning, going for a walk before you get on with your work, going for a run at lunchtime, or, as I said, waking up at the same time every morning. Picking a couple of things that you can control should help to soften the anxiety that you get from being out of control with the other aspects of life. Tip number 2. Tip number 2 is keep fit. Pick up the pace! By being in lockdown, we are already much less active than we normally would be.
I think you'll surprise yourself how easy it is to keep fit, even though gyms are all closed. If you've got any piece of land near you, I know all the parks are closed, but the fields and things, you should still be able to go in. Even if you just go on a long walk, a walk for an hour or however long. Obviously at night, make sure that there's lights on. And yeah, if you're going with your family, that can be a really nice way to feel the benefits of isolation together, because there certainly are some.
So pick one that suits you and you'll feel all the better, both physically and mentally for it. Okay, and moving on to tip 3, eat clean. Filling your body with healthy, nutritious foods is going to prevent you feeling sluggish, it's going to lift your mood and overall make you feel healthier and more energetic. So on weekends, me and my family like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. In this video, I'm making a really simple and healthy salsa and guac.
I'm crying. Get your goggles out when you chop the onions. That's the top tip.
In a salsa is onion, tomato, coriander, balsamic, oil and salt and pepper, but you can always change up to your preference. In the guacamole, it's super simple. There's avocado, of course, tomato, coriander, lime and seasoning.
So good.
We also love to bake and are pretty addicted to this pistachio and date cookie recipe at the minute, so I've whipped up another batch of these, which, to be honest, probably won't last long.
Remember, during this time, make sure you keep your glass half full, not half empty.
Yeah, tip number 4, spend time with family. Now, some of you probably think, and I thought the same, that
Spending time with family will probably end up increasing your anxiety rather than reducing it.
now sometimes that is definitely the case. But trust me, right now is such a valuable time. We are together 24/7, which is valuable, valuable time. So make the most of it. Play games together, get exercise together, go and make use of the fresh air together, and as we evidently do a lot, cook together.
Tune it. I can't do it, this song's too good. When you count on purpose, who gives a damn about the family you come from? Look at it up, raindrop, and you're young and you want some.
And then hopefully home life will become a lot easier and a lot less stressful.
Oh.
Who's this? Oh, ghost!
So I've got 2 drinks. If I lose, it's the wine. If I win, it's the wine. No, I'm joking. Ginger and lemon tea. In all scenarios.
What tip's this? 5. Tip 5, check your facts. There's a ton of fake news out there, so make sure you're getting your information from a reliable place, such as the government website. Also, try to limit your checking to once a day and definitely not right before you go to sleep. This will leave you anxious, wired, and then in the morning you'll be tired and even more stressed.
So, checking the news, like lots and lots, isn't very good because if it's big news, they'll say it like on the radio or TV or something. So.
Anything important, you will find out. And checking the death toll, not a good idea, my friends. Do they ever announce how many people survived from coronavirus? Only occasionally. So yeah, be careful with how much you're checking and what you're checking. Finally, acknowledge your emotions and try to stay positive. Is this situation ideal? And no. Were you prepared for it? Absolutely not. That makes you one person in a very, very large, very populated boat. We are literally all in this together, not just as one group, one university, one nation, literally as a planet, we are in this together. So all we can do is support ourselves, support each other, and try to stay positive. So that being said, whether it's a glass of water or a glass of wine, keep that glass half full, my friends. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and got something out of it, and hopefully you're feeling more confident that you can manage your emotions, more positive about the situation and how you can decrease that anxiety. If you did like this video, please give it a like. I don't know, if you fancy it, why don't you take your finger on a little trip over to the subscribe button. Leave a comment with what you'd like to see in future, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.